In this video, let's learn how to do fund transfer on the Sharekhan app using NetBanking. So once you log in, simply click on the hamburger menu as shown in the video. Click on Transfer Funds and then Add Funds. After that, type in the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account to your trading account. Do make sure that your bank account details are mapped with your Sharekhan demat and trading account. You can find the list of banks supported by Sharekhan on your screen. Select NetBanking followed by Move Cash, which will direct you to the NetBanking page. You need to simply confirm for the requested amount to be transferred. Once confirmed, you will be redirected back on the Sharekhan app. And that's it. This is how you transfer funds online using NetBanking. The amount which you will transfer will reflect in the equity balance in the Add Fund section. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.